Get acquainted with the 2021 Kia K5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Ready to transform your daily drive? Here's a family-friendly K5 that delivers security, luxury, and family-friendly convenience in a surprisingly affordable and undeniably stylish 4-door sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, stability control. Get the safety and comfort your family deserves in this well-appointed K5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.